Cabbage Soup Diet, 1-week diet plan. When you're looking for a decent start to any diet plan, the Cabbage Soup Diet is a good idea thanks to starting any try and turning around. It is said that a person who is on a diet can lose 10 to 20 pounds while sticking to the Cabbage Soup Diet. Many prefer this diet because you will be preparing the soup that will be eaten at any time of the day or night. Low calories. The Cabbage Soup Diet doesn't provide many calories, but it does allow people to switch because they tend not to overeat. The soup acts as a filling, ensuring that the person on the diet does not experience hunger or feelings of hunger. As the amount of calories consumed by the body is reduced, following the Cabbage Soup Diet may experience some side effects. This may range from feeling weak to dizzy. 1 week only. Some benefits of the Cabbage Soup Diet are that an individual can change their condition at a rapid rate. Dieters should know that the Cabbage Soup Diet should only be followed weekly, and it's not meant to be tailored as an endless lifestyle choice. If someone tries to stick to this type of diet for a whole week, they will experience a change in their health and body in general. For example, during times of the Cabbage Soup Diet, only bananas and milk are allowed. This indicates that approximately 1,000 to 1,200 calories were ingested. It can't be stressed enough that this is often unhealthy thanks to eating longer than a week. This can be a recipe for Cabbage Soup Diet. Cabbage Diet Recipe. Ingredients: 6 large green onions, 2 green peppers, 2 green peppers, 1 to 2 cans chopped tomatoes, 1 package celery, 1 packet mixed onion soup, 1 to 2 stock cubes, to taste, 1 head of cabbage. How to cook it. 1. Cut the vegetables into small pieces and marinate with water. You will also use V8 juice. 2. Quickly boil the ingredients for 10 minutes. 3. Reduce the simmer and continue to cook the cabbage soup until all the vegetables are cooked. 4. Season the cabbage soup to taste with salt, pepper, garlic powder, parsley, or any other spice you wish to add. When following the Cabbage Soup Diet, you should keep in mind a number of lowercase temperature. It is also important to remember that the Cabbage Soup Diet will only work if it is followed exactly as it came. The first day allows you to eat all the fruits you want, except for bananas. You will be able to eat only the cabbage soup as well as the fruit for the main day. You will also drink unsweetened tea, fruit crush, and water. On the second day, you will eat all the fresh, raw, or cooked vegetables you want. Keep in mind that green leafy vegetables are the most effective and that you should avoid dry beans, peas, and corn. Fruit is not allowed these days. On the third day of the Cabbage Soup Diet, you will be able to eat all the soup you want, in addition to fruits and vegetables. On the fourth day, you should eat up to 8 bananas a day, in addition to drinking as many glasses of skimmed milk as possible. You should also continue to eat the cabbage soup. Nowadays, you are supposed to suppress your craving for sweets. Day 5, you can eat small amount of beef and up to 6 fresh tomatoes. You should also drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water to scrub the acid into your body. You should have at least 1 bowl of cabbage soup at present. If you don't like beef, it's okay to replace it with skinless baked chicken. The 6th day includes beef and vegetables. You'll eat all the meat and vegetables you're going to eat, plus at least 1 bowl of cabbage soup. On the 7th day, you will eat as much rice, vegetables, and unsweetened fruit juices as possible, at least 1 bowl of cabbage soup. For more information, we recommend to check out the link below. Receive the 4 cheat sheets PDF into your email and get access to a video that explains how to live a healthy way. Subscribe and click the link below to get access.